Hi everyone! This video is made for people living in big cities with smaller spaces or for people who live in small apartments in general, trying to find ways to enhance their living space with a very small budget and a short amount of time. How to build your own dream closet in a tiny city apartment. Please stay with us until the end for a special discount code and free shipping for all products mentioned in this video. I have 3 criteria when I buy furniture. Number 1, it needs to be sturdy. Flimsy furniture might be cheap when you buy it, but eventually gets more expensive because you have to replace it over and over again. Number 2, it needs to be easy to move with me. I really dislike disposable furniture. I think lots of people can agree with me here. I just became really tired of cheap furniture that you rush to get after moving in, getting into a frenzy building, spend an entire weekend or more assembling, just to throw away when you move since it's not worth it. Number 3, can I customize it? This one is not a must, but I really love it if there's an option for it. I know it sounds like too much to ask for while staying on a budget, but trust me, that's what I'm about to share in this video. Here's the magical furniture that satisfies all 3 criteria. It's sturdy, movable, and customizable. Crazy, right? In this video, I will take you through the process of building and decorating my own dream closet in a limited space. The instruction booklet has suggestions of some of the different configurations you can make. I'm definitely going to try a couple of these out. Since you can change up the configurations quickly, it makes it easy to get creative. What's in the box? So there are components for the basic clothing rack with shelves too. I believe some of the components change depending on which model you get, but it is mostly the same. Let's start building it. I'm setting up the timer so I can check how long it takes for me to build the whole thing. Building this was really easy because no screws or nails were needed. All of the assembly was putting stuff in and lightly hammering. I also really loved how customizable it was. You can basically place the shelves or the hanger bar anywhere you need or separate one into 2. Just anything is possible, which was my favorite thing about this KEPSUUL furniture system. Time to add some mesh boards. It comes with 3 components and some additional accessories. I'm setting up one of the mesh boards here on the side, pressing down the bracket until I hear the click sound. use the rack connectors that are included. It instantly stabilizes them. Here you can see me trying very hard to shake it, but I promise it's 100% sturdy. Completed! Let's check how long it took. 27 minutes and 48 seconds, so approximately 28 minutes. That's really fast considering I made 4 different pieces of furniture. Now it's time to decorate. I'm using the S-hook to hang some flower vases up near my bed so I can wake up to the beautiful sight of flowers. I'm hanging some of the clothes now, but if you prefer to fold your clothes, the shelves and the cabinet are great places to store them. I'm going to use this area as a makeup and skincare station. It's also perfect to do your hair sitting down while also listening to music. You no longer need to do it in the bathroom. Right above the makeup area, I'm going to use the mesh board to display some photos and a whiteboard for reminders. Time to illuminate the area with some Christmas lights. On this side, I'll be using the plate hook to hang up my hats and scarves. Decorating completed. It took me around 18 minutes. Building the whole thing took me 28 minutes, then decorating 18 minutes. So the total time spent on building my dream closet was only 50 minutes. Under 1 hour. It really surprised me because when I get furniture that requires assembly, it usually is an all-day ordeal. This experience was just so pleasant and quick. The end results look absolutely amazing. I can't believe how cool it looks. I wanted my closet area to be a one-stop place before I go out, so it was important that it contained everything that I need. I can get dressed here, put accessories on, then wear makeup, do my hair, maybe read some books or watch YouTube videos if I get ready too quickly. If you're interested in getting your own KEPSUUL, check out phfhome.com or KEPSUUL.com. The link is also in the description. Make sure to use the special discount code for people who watch this video. YouTube10 for 10% off all purchases. If you build your own KEPSUUL after watching this video, let us know in the comment section. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.